Navigating public Wi-Fi, safe or not?
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that is incredibly relevant in our increasingly digital world: the safety of connecting to public Wi-Fi networks when we're away from home. Is it a convenient tool or a hidden threat? We're about to find out. Remember, understanding online safety is crucial in today's hyper-connected age.
What is public Wi-Fi?
Before we delve into the safety aspects, let's briefly define what public Wi-Fi is. Public Wi-Fi refers to internet access points, often wireless, that are available to the public. You typically find these in places like coffee shops, airports, hotels, and libraries. They're super convenient when you're on the go, but it's essential to consider the potential risks involved.
Is public Wi-Fi safe?
The short answer is, it can be risky. Public Wi-Fi networks often lack robust security features, making them more vulnerable to hackers and cybercriminals. Data sent over these networks might not be encrypted, which means it could potentially be intercepted by malicious third parties. This includes sensitive information, like passwords or credit card numbers.
How can I use public Wi-Fi safely?
There are several measures you can take to enhance your security when using public Wi-Fi. 1. Use a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it much harder for anyone to intercept and view your data. 2. Verify the network. Cybercriminals sometimes create fake Wi-Fi networks that mimic legitimate ones. Always make sure you're connecting to the correct network by asking staff for the correct network name and password. 3. Limit your activities. Try to avoid accessing sensitive information on public Wi-Fi. Save tasks like online banking for when you're on a secure, private network. 4. Use HTTPS. If you must access sensitive sites, make sure they use the HTTPS protocol, which encrypts the information sent between you and the site. In conclusion, while public Wi-Fi networks offer convenience, they can also pose security risks. It's not necessarily unsafe to use public Wi-Fi, but it's crucial to be mindful and take steps to protect yourself. We hope this video has helped you better understand the potential risks and safety measures associated with using public Wi-Fi. Stay safe online, everyone.